Hey everyone, this is my Air King Model 9155 16-inch window fan, and it is electrically reversible, as you can see from the box. So what we're going to do in this video here is give you a quick look around this box of the fan first, and then we'll give you a little bit of a look around the fan itself, and then we will give you a running demonstration of the fan on both intake and exhaust through all the speeds. So here's the side of the box. Nothing too terribly exciting, it just describes the fan. The back of the box, which looks exactly like the front. And here's the front of the fan itself as well that you'd see from inside. And the back of the fan that you'd see from outside your window. So what we're going to do now is give you a running demonstration of this fan, and we'll start off on high exhaust. This thing is so powerful that we have to hold it in place or it will blow itself over. We'll take it down to medium now. It's got a nice slowdown in the speed there, good speed variation. Take it down to low now. You can see low is really nice and quiet on this one. Just a nice, steady white noise. We'll go ahead and bring it back up to high here. And then we'll turn it off to show the coast down time. Now this has a pretty nice long coast down on it. I've heard people say that these have ball bearing motors in them, and this one could be so equipped. I'm not really sure. I haven't taken it apart. One thing it does not display is a blade balance problem like some other users have experienced with this. So I guess I got lucky on this fan. We're going to show you the intake now. Start off on high intake. Bring it down to medium now. And we'll put it down to low. And again, low is nice and quiet. Airflow is pretty much equal from intake to exhaust due to the blade design. Bring it back up to high now. We'll shut it off to show you the coast down. And again, this displays a very nice long coast down run on it. So, you know, for being brand new out of the box, it's got very good bearings in it. So with that, we're going to conclude this video. I'd like to thank you for watching. And I'd like to ask you to please subscribe to this video or subscribe to my channel because we will have more videos to come. And so with that, we will see you later.